going to replace this front left brake hose. I already replaced the caliper and everything else, just not the brake hose. You're always going to burn yourself. Anytime you replace the caliper, replace the brake hose, it's not the easiest to get the customer to do that, but you know, if you're doing it at home, do it yourself. Just going to spray down. We know this is going to come off, so that's that. So start here. And that's a 12 millimeter. It just hooks down there. Now before we remove this clip that holds it on, we're going to see if this can break loose. Fat chance, I know, but hey. Nope. Okay. So what we're going to do is do a little persuasion. Yeah, breaking loose is just half the battle. Oh, yeah. And there we go. Perfect. Look at that. That's what you want to see. You want to see I'm going to leave the rest of that alone right now because I'm waiting for the hose to come in. I just wanted to get this started. Just take that off. And now we wait. All right, have the new brake hose in. Very nice. We know these are 11 millimeter because they're aftermarket. That's 11 millimeter. Okay, I'm just gonna crack this loose. We don't have to take this part fully off yet. Okay. We are gonna have to reuse this banjo bolt because it did not come with a new one, which is okay. So first things first, I'm gonna get up here done first. Now that everything's broken loose, this is just gonna fall right out. Alright, so for this we're going to take the washer off. Because unfortunately I got to reuse the bolt. Make sure there's no washer on here either. There we go. Never reuse a copper washer, so get new ones. So it's going to go straight down like so. So we're going to put that one through. Put this one in. Now this is a brand new hose, so these things are incredibly... I put it in backwards. Hold on. That happens. So now we'll put this in here. Put that like this. And brake fluid is incredibly slippery, so it gets to be a big problem at this point. And you crush down the washers. Whew. Having every tool ready is like the best way to do this. I mean, not just because of just doing any job, just because of this. It's just the less bleeding you have to do, the faster you do this job. So that's why I just cracked everything loose, but I tried to do everything as fast as I could because brake fluid is incredibly slippery. So we're gonna lead out the brakes now. I hope you like this video. If you need some high-powered LEDs for this vehicle, so I'm talking about some of the highest quality, brightest ones, head down in the description of any one of my videos, including this one. Go all the way down to the bottom. There's a link for LEDs for this vehicle, and you can use my referral code and get a discount. And trust me, I fully support them. They're in all my vehicles. Some of them, they've been there for 4 years. My Amazon bulbs are blowing every year or two. So that's really awesome. If you can, hit that super thanks button. Keep this channel growing, and see you guys next time.